Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Lenovo ThinkPad E14 Gen 7, a business-focused laptop that combines Lenovo's classic ThinkPad design with Intel's latest Core Ultra processor, integrated Intel Arc graphics, AI capabilities, and a surprisingly strong selection of connectivity options. Starting with the design, the ThinkPad E14 Gen 7 keeps things professional. It comes in a classic black finish, with the familiar ThinkPad styling that is designed more for the office than for showing off. And honestly, that's part of the appeal. This is a laptop you can take into a business meeting, a university classroom, or a coffee shop without attracting too much attention. The 14-inch form factor also gives you a nice balance between portability and screen space. It's compact enough to carry around comfortably while still providing a useful workspace for documents, spreadsheets, browsing, and multitasking. The ThinkPad E14 Gen 7 features a 14-inch WUXGA IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200. The 16:10 aspect ratio is particularly useful for productivity because you get a little more vertical screen space compared with a traditional 16:9 display. That extra space can make a difference when working with documents, spreadsheets, websites, and long emails. Now let's talk about what's powering this machine. Our configuration comes with the Intel Core Ultra 7255H, paired with 16GB of DDR5-5600 memory and a 512GB M.2 SSD. That combination gives this laptop plenty of power for everyday productivity. We're talking about web browsing with lots of tabs, Microsoft Office applications, video calls, presentations, document editing, programming, and multitasking. The 16GB of DDR5 memory is also a good starting point for a modern business laptop. Graphics are handled by the integrated Intel Arc 140T GPU. Of course, this isn't a dedicated gaming GPU, so you shouldn't buy the E14 Gen 7 expecting it to compete with a gaming laptop. But integrated Arc graphics can provide a significant advantage for everyday graphics workloads, multimedia, light creative work, and some casual gaming. Then we have one of the biggest talking points of this generation, AI. The Core Ultra 7255H includes an integrated Intel AI Boost NPU, rated at up to 13 TOPS. The idea behind an NPU is to handle certain AI workloads locally and efficiently instead of sending everything to the cloud. The ThinkPad E14 Gen 7 comes with an integrated 48Wh battery and supports rapid charge. One of the strongest aspects of this laptop is the port selection. You get USB-A 5 gigabits per second, USB-A 10 gigabits per second with always-on functionality, HDMI 2.1, Thunderbolt for eUSB 4, 3.5mm headphone and microphone combo jack, Gigabit Ethernet. And that Ethernet port is particularly useful for business users who still need reliable wired networking. The ThinkPad keyboard experience is another important part of this laptop. ThinkPad TrackPoint keyboard, TrackPoint quick menu, spill resistant, backlit. For audio, Lenovo has included stereo speakers rated at 2 watts by 2, with Dolby Audio and audio tuned by Harman. Camera, FHD hybrid IR with privacy shutter. For wireless connectivity, you get Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3.